Yes, me sitting down was planned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be vlogging. So first, today it is my mom's birthday. So happy birthday to you. I'm gonna wrap her gift and my sister's gift because she hasn't wrapped it yet either. It's 2:49. We got butterfly pink wrapping and pink wrapping. Who doesn't have this pair of kitchen scissors? I mean, come on. Dollar store for the win. So, while I'm wrapping this gift, I want to bring up the subject of hating making YouTube videos, which, by the way, was my last video. So yes, I still do hate making YouTube videos, and you may ask yourself why I'm making one today. I'm asking myself the same exact question. I'm also asking myself why I just cut this wrapping paper so small, but I don't have an answer for either of them. Well, hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, pause the song, please. This song is really good. So, tragedy struck, and second, today I have to garden with my sister. If you know me, you know. I just don't do any physical activity at all. I don't move. So this is going to be an interesting experience, and I don't do sports either, so. However, that is besides the point, because I do water my plants every Wednesday. I'm a responsible plant waterer, if that's a thing. Hey fly. So yeah, I keep them alive. So in this vlog I was gonna have a cooking segment, but instead I'm eating a Kellogg's protein meal bar because, like I said, I have to garden. ASMR. How's the gardening?
Bad. Takes too much energy and time.
We're not gardening anymore. We're going to eat dinner. I'm tired. I'm ready to drink another cup of tea. But whatevs. We drape our check as children. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
I'm gonna go eat now. Mukbang. So here we got some keto cupcakes made by the one and only Carlos Bakery. My mom and sister are doing keto, that's why I'm not doing keto. Hey guys, today I am reporting at the Shiab household. And at the Shiab household, there's this new, just famous, amazing diet. And I would really like some of them to just give their opinion about it, you know? And especially the diet specialist here, Miss Noura Miriam Shihab. And yeah, I'll be interviewing her and talking to her today. And yeah, I'm really gonna enjoy this experience and just learn about this wonderful diet that releases ketones, you know? Talk to us about this amazing diet. You heard it first here, folks, from the amazing dietitian, nutritionalist, whatever they call it. Let's interview our second subject. What has keto done for you?
Nothing.
Now you even know more about the keto diet.
Are you fat? Are you ugly? Is your name Yuyu? Then I have a cure for you. Stevia! It's natural, it's from a tree, so you could probably squeeze it out of a leaf, but you know, you have to buy it because it's America and we have to spend a lot of money. So this will cure your ugliness and your fatness and your chubbiness, and don't eat sugar. And that's all. Buy stevia because we want your money. Cut.
So, you know, Miss Nora, the dietitianist or nutritionalist, whatever, just offered us some more tips from before, and we already learned so much from her. So I'm just like really happy to report here, and like I've really learned so much, me and my production team. And yeah. Thank you for reporting to the Shiab and Daouk household, and we will see you on the next segment. Bye.
Straight injection into the mouth.
Hey, Steve. Keto cupcakes. Watch my Instagram TV video to see them. Hey, Winnie. So my mom already knows what I got her. Wow, what is that? What is it? What is it? What is it? She doesn't know about this because I bought it with Sephora points. كمان من تاتشا. عرفت كيف؟ فبيروح معه.
That's good.
عم بتكذب للكاميرا؟
لا ليش؟ بدي كذب للكاميرا. اللي بيسمعك بيقول حاطلع على اسمه.
Next we have my sister. Oh, what is that? I don't know what this is. No. Is that Tatcha?
Not bad, يويو. ما صغار كتير.
These aren't small.
No.
These are kind of small. So here we got Uncle Michael Kaur with us in this birthday celebration.
اوه ريحتي كتير هاي.
لا ما شفت الباقي.
ما حشوف.
See, Uncle Michael just keeps giving and giving.
جيمنج ببلاش لأنه أنكل مايكل. كتير حلوة. هذه صندل. هذه من عند ميسي جايبتها.
Wow, Uncle Michael Vic well.
عند ميسي.
مايكل كور.
رحتي عند مايكل كور؟
ايه من عند مايكل كور.
Good job. So this is my first cup of tea for the night. Of course I'm gonna drink another one. But I think I'm going to be ending the vlog right now. But before we end the vlog, let's do some ASMR with Mitch.
What is that?
Oh, that is very tasty. How much of that is actually tea?
Most of it.
How long is this gonna go on? Okay, that's long enough. Thank you for watching, and thank you for watching this ASMR segment with Mitch. I'm gonna drink my tea now, and go probably explain what ASMR is. Thank you for watching, and bye.